Good afternoon. Bathroom project in the 1930s bungalow. We are going to fit the shower enclosure. So just want to show a couple of tools that I've just bought, which are the best tools ever. Number one is chalk marker. I've seen on Dragon's Den. So you just in the hole, leaves a nice green spot that just cleans away. Chalk, yeah. So that's called Marksman, professional marking tool. Absolutely brilliant. And the next tool, for years I've been trying to do silicone neat. I've used the masking tape trick, everything, wet fingers and all that. But bought two of these. I don't know if you can see that, off eBay, yeah. It's hard to see. Anyway, you get two and they're all different size, for the mastic width. So we've got 8mm and we've got 4mm, and best thing ever, unbelievable. So you put a really thin bead down, yeah, and then you put the bevel face towards you. There's a bevel face there. Yeah, put that towards you, yeah, and you just push it or pull it away. Unbelievable. So this bit down here, I'll just swap the camera over. So these bits down here, just put a small bead on, yeah, with the bevel facing you. You just put that on there and just drag it along. And I tell you what, it's very neat. And a nice tiny little bead. So they're my favourite tools of this week. So, got the tiling done. So the shower tray's in, the waste is in, the walls are tiled, yeah, and grounded. So the next job is build a quadrant enclosure. So I've got all the bits out. So got a curved panel, top and bottom track, and this is the wide panel. So I've fitted the seals on top and bottom, and this quadrant shower cubicle is universal, so it'll fit either hand. You just turn the track over. So the bottom track's in place now, and then what we do is we put a little blob of mastic in here, clear mastic in there and there, yeah, and then we sit the glass in, and then using the 45mm screws, yeah, they go through the hole and they bolt into the ends of the track. So the idea is, I believe, we build it as a unit out in the hall, bolt it all together, screw it together, and then with the help of Susan, we're going to lift it in to place onto the shower tray. Oh, done that wrong. On the shower tray, line it up, put a plumb line down where the back track's going to go. Then there's two wall tracks. Once you've got it in situ and marked it, put the tracks on, raw plug them, screw them onto the wall, and then they have it's like a sliding joint, so it takes up for any unevenness in the wall, and then you put some little self-tappers through the outer frame, which is a channel, into the end members. On here. So the outer frame goes here and it slides, and then you just pop a top self-tapper in to lock them in place, and that's basically it. So in theory, it's all good, but in practice, I'll let you know later on. So I'll just put it on pause. Thank you. We're back many hours later. So it's more or less in, so I'll just take you through what we've done and the little things we learned along the way. So that's the quadrant enclosure in. Okay. The challenge is trying to transport it when it's together, because the glass pops out this little notch there when the frame distorts, so you constantly try to keep it together. But once it was on the tray, yeah, lined it up around the edge, okay, and then we had to slide this wall channel in, and I managed to just, see that piece of timber there, I managed to slide the enclosure onto the timber so it was off the tray. Fed the tracking from the back, marked the holes, pre-drilled them with a small masonry, yeah, with screws and plugs supplied. So the whole shower tray went to the right, which exposed the holes, drilled, put the plug in, pulled it back, screwed them in. Then, with everything set and obviously plumb, we put these little self-tappers in through the track. That's the sliding adjustment you get, so it's a channel in a channel. But remember, go at least 20 mil away from the edge, because the glass goes in here, so don't hit the glass, otherwise you can bother. Then next thing is we put the interior trim on there, finishes that off. I'll put a bit of sealer in behind onto the track here, yeah. She's in. So put this other flipper panel on, this flipper strip on, and then we'll hook the door on, adjust the stops, a couple of caps that go in the top here, yep, just to finish that off, and then we'll seal it round. So back to work, and we will see you at the next part, hopefully finished. Many hours later, we've finished. So a quick look at the finished job. So new shower rail and head, kept the old mixer. It's a decent one, it's a Myra. It's fed off the boiler, it's lots of pressure, really good. This is the enclosure, all done. Really nice piece of kit. It's 8mm glass, so it doesn't wobble, and the door closes, no wobbling. Beautiful action. Look at that. Very nice quality handle. Look inside the enclosure.